do is kind of sprinkle along during the day. I want you to be able to meet some of the people that are using the product. And I've asked them to keep their presentation, not a presentation, they're just going to talk to you, just tell you about what they're doing. But one of our first guys that we work with is out of Michigan, okay, Bob Groulx. Bob grows corn. Come on up, Bob. You can't tell any jokes, Bob. This is a good crowd. So Bob is one of my favorite guys. He's been using the product now for 4 years, I believe, all right? And he can tell you all about it. So if you want to corner him outside, you can do that, but keep him away from the jokes. Thanks.
Good morning. I'm Bob Groulx from Montgomery, Michigan. I'm a continuous corn farmer. We've had continuous corn now for about 7 years. And what we were doing before I met Wayne was we're putting fertilizer on in the fall, spreading it. We're putting on a soil a residue package on in the fall. Then in March, we'd put some more fertilizer on. Then we'd plant the corn with fertilizer. Then when the corn got about knee-high, we'd apply some more mineral fertilizer. And then we tissue test when the corn was approximately 8 to 10 inches. And the crop production, people would say, out of the 20 different nutrients that they are testing, you're short on this, or whatever. So then after we got them results back, we'd foliage spray whatever we thought the crop needed. And we are spending a tremendous amount of time and money doing all of this. I met Wayne. We talked in depth for quite a while. And I tried his product. And the first year, we just had phenomenal results on several different fields. And it did vary from 5 to 40% yield increase. And so anyway, the next year we went to about 90% of his product, and we eliminated applying fertilizer in the fall, the residue spray, applying fertilizer in March. Now we basically plant Roundup Ready corn, spray it with Roundup, use the Groulx and nitrogen, and that's it. And we've been saving a lot of time. It's been a lot easier on the employees, the less chance of chemical injury and all this stuff. It's increased our yield, making it a lot simpler and faster to take care of the crop. We get to harvest approximately a week quicker than a lot of the other local farmers. 3 years out of 4, the local elevators needed corn earlier than usual, so they're offering a 30 to 35 cent premium for early delivery. And we were always there. We were one of the first ones to deliver corn. A lot of times, by the time the neighbor's corn was ready, we were 75% done. And a lot of our corn, like the first 60 to 80%, we received a 35 cent premium. And so that was a big help. Not spending so much money on drying costs was a big help. And by eliminating a lot of the steps with the fertilizer, we are able to farm more land now. Another thing that was very nice this year, because we've been into it 3 years, this coming year will be our 4th, some of the other landlords seeing how nice we were doing, so they offered us their land. And so we got to increase more acres. And when we were doing our tillage this fall, I was running a disc ripper at 6.2 miles an hour, 16 inches deep. And when we got done with our soil preparation, we went to the new ground that we were just started to rent this year. And the tractor wouldn't pull it at that. We had to go down to 4.2 miles an hour. And it still wouldn't pull it, so we raised up the ripper to 13 inches. And so our ground is a lot mellower, and it just seems like everything's working. It's safer for the employees, and the main thing is it just works. We're very happy with the product. Yeah, that's about it. It works.
Bob, good job.